we will be focusing more on pranayamas in continuation to our yesterday session. Yesterday we introduced some pranayama. So today also we will practice pranayama more. Before that, let's warm up our body. So what we will do, quickly we will do few Surya Namaskar, and before that we will start with the yogic walk today. So till this time I have introduced in detail all the body joints from starting from your neck till your toes. So when you are doing practices for yourself, don't forget to do those body joints and warm-ups, etc. Rahul ji, namaskar. It's very good that you are here and watching. So अभी हम क्या करेंगे, जल्दी से वार्म अप के लिए योगिक वॉक करेंगे, जो पहले हमने एक बार सीख लिया था. फिर से एक बार बताता हूं. ब्रीदिंग के साथ में करना है. अगर हम ब्रीदिंग के साथ में करते हैं तो हमको इफेक्ट भी ज्यादा मिलेगा और एक बहुत ही अच्छा कार्डियोवास्कुलर एक्सरसाइज है. तो कैसे करना है, जब राइट हैंड हमारा सामने होगा तो लेफ्ट हैंड पीछे की तरफ खींचा हुआ रहेगा और राइट हैंड इस प्रकार से सामने से रहेगा और लेफ्ट नी इज अप. अल्टरनेटिवली दिस फ्रॉम हैंड्स चर्निंग मूवमेंट एंड नी अप एंड डाउन, और इसके साथ में ब्रीदिंग. इस प्रकार से. सो लेट्स डू दिस फॉर एटलीस्ट continuously 1 minute. If we are comfortable, we will do little more, but let's do at least 1 minute. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. 30 seconds over. Let's do little faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in, breathe out. Continue with the last 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slow your speed and continue leg movement for some time. This yogic walk easily we can do 5 minutes also. If you will do 5 minutes, great benefits will be there. So the day you have less time, just do yogic walk with breathing, with forceful breathing. Fill the maximum oxygen in your lungs. When taking rest, do this. Suddenly don't stop. Do kick your buttocks. It's an excellent exercise for calf muscles, hamstring, and it's good for spine health as well. Yes, we are warm up, energized, and now what we will do? We will do Surya Namaskar. Okay, so let's do few rounds of Surya Namaskar. We have already learned in detail. If you are still want some more instruction, mention it in the comment. I will give instructions, but as of now we will just do directly 1 to 14 count. Beginners Surya Namaskar. It's called beginners because we are not stopping our breath anywhere. In traditional Surya Namaskar, in Ashtanga Asana, we kind of stop or hold our breath and then we continue breathing, breathe out. So here we are not doing that. Let's chant the opening mantra, starting prayer. Deya sada savitra mandala madhyavarti narayana sarsijagan sannivishta keyuravan makar kundalavan kiriti hari hiranamay vapurduta शंख चक्रः। ओम मित्राय नमः। So I think little bit adjustment has to be there. Sorry for that. So that you can get a better angle. Yes, we are ready to start now. 1, breathe in. 2, breathe out. 3, take your right leg back. Breathe in. 4, plank, breathe out. 5, breathe in, table posture, knee down. 6, Shishu Asana, forehead on the ground, elbows on the ground. You are sitting on your calf muscle. Breathe in. 7, your shoulders and wrist in line. Breathe out. Ashtanga, your chest in between both the palms, chin on the ground, both the knees, both the feet, both the hands, 8 limbs, 8 part of your body on the ground. So it's called Ashtanga Asana. Slide forward, breathe in, Bhujangasana, shoulders down, chest open and wide. Breathe in, fill your chest. Stay here for a few seconds. Feel the stretch on your abdomen, on your navel region. Yes, beautiful experience. Breathe in, breathe out, and Parvatasana. Look towards your knees. Push your chest toward your knees. Heels on the ground. Try to bring your heels on the ground. Yes. Then breathe in. Ashwasanchalanasana once again. Wonderful. Let's keep doing, keep following. Yes, breathe out. Padahastasana. Your head towards your knees. Breathe in. Hasta Uttanasana. Arch back and relax. So, this is one set of Surya Namaskara. So I have explained right and left combination will keep on going in every cycle. So let's do few rounds quickly and then jump on to the pranayama, which is the main part of the today. We are doing just the warm up section now. So whoever recently joined, continue. Anup ji, very good. Shashiram ji, excellent. साथ में बने रहें. Okay. Om Ravaye Namaha. Breathe in, breathe out. Left leg back. 3, 4. Now only the count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2 Surya Namaskar done. Om Suryaya Namaha. 1, 2. If you are new, do slow and don't push yourself in any posture. Just try to adjust with the movements. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Om Bhanve Namaha. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Breathe in and breathe out. The Surya Namaskar practice in itself is a complete body warm up, stretches, pranayama, everything it is. Mantra chanting that will calm down your mind will be meditative. So just do it with the breathing pattern and the mantras and you will see the impact. See, lot of sweat means excellent cardiovascular exercise if we do it. Dynamic means थोड़ा अगर fast करेंगे तो a very excellent full body workout. Okay, so let's do 2 more sets. Om Khagaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Om Pushne Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's chant the remaining mantras quickly. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaya Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitreya Namaha. Om Arkaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayanaya Namaha. Adityasya Namaskaram ये कुर्वन्ति दिने दिने आयुर्प्रज्ञा बलं वीर्यं तेजस्तेषां जायते. तो एकदम रिलैक्स हो जाएंगे, completely relax. Now we are done with the warm up, we are done with the Surya Namaskar. Lie down on your mat. And yesterday we did Vasishta Pranayam. What is Vasishta Pranayam? Just you have to lie down on your mat and you have to bring your heels closer. Very good. Bring your heels closer to your buttocks. Knee bend. Palms facing the ceiling. Hope you are able to see. Yeah. Palms facing the ceiling. And now abdominal breathing. We have to breathe in and fill our stomach like a balloon and then breathe out, contract the stomach. So let's quickly do this 10 times. Yesterday we have learned in detail. So if someone is bit unclear, just watch yesterday's video. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Exhale completely and inhale completely. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, one last time. Relax for a few seconds. Abdominal breathing, a beautiful breathing exercise, beautiful pranayama which gives relaxation to the whole body and especially to the abdominal muscles. Very good exercise for the people who are suffering from sleep disorders. Try this day and in the morning and evening, 10 minutes. Continuously you can do 10 minutes because it's just a simple breathing technique. Nothing forceful. Just fill your stomach completely and empty it, contract it. Yes. Let's continue with the second pranayama of the today. We will do Bhastrika pranayama. So yesterday also we did. So I am not going into explanation now. Just bring your fists in front of your chest. Breathe in. Take your hands up. Breathe out with a smooth movement. Don't put a jerk like this. Breathe in. Smooth. Breathe out. How to do? Let's start. This kind of movement, okay? So we will be doing yesterday we did 20 strokes. Same today also we will do 20 strokes. We will do 2 rounds. Let's start. And relax after 20 strokes. Again I am telling the people who have any kind of shoulder issues, frozen shoulders or cervical kind of pain or severe back pain, they can do without hand movement and do bit more slower. Without hand movement is like so we are not doing any body part. Still, we are doing the forceful and nice breathing that will give a lot of impact, lot of beautiful energy will be generated and you will be feeling energized. Yes. So after the 30 seconds difference, let's move towards the next pranayama of the day. That is Anulom Vilom pranayama that works for the balancing of your Ingala and Pida Nadi. Overall, it brings a beautiful balance between your right hemisphere and left hemisphere of the mind, and you will feel lot of relaxation after doing this pranayama. Even if you can do it few minutes before your meditation session, that will be excellent. We will also starting soon our meditation sessions, and believe me, once you are going into meditation and you can experience the relaxed mind, calm mind, you can identify yourself. It will be wonderful. So just keep watching these sessions. I will be introducing slowly all the things which I have learned over the period of time, and till this International Yoga Day, this beautiful journey will continue. Okay, so let's move to the next pranayama, Anulom Vilom pranayama. So what we will do, from right hand we will make a Vishnu Mudra, index and middle finger closed, and then little finger and the ring finger are open, thumb is also open. From thumb, what we will do, we are closing the right nostril, breathe in from left, breathe out right, breathe in from right, breathe out left. This is the one cycle of Anulom Vilom alternative nostril breathing. So let's continue. And left hand you can keep it relaxed, or you can do Chinna Mudra, index and thumb close together or touched together like this. Okay, palms open towards the ceiling. Let's do 10 rounds at least. But for Anulom Vilom, when you are doing your own individual practices, you can do it even for the 10 minutes, 20, 30 minutes. There is no foundation. For other pranayams like Bhastrika, Kapalabhati, you should not do after a certain limit. Like Bhastrika should not do more than 100 strokes. Kapalabhati 300 strokes, maximum to maximum 500 strokes, but should not cross that limit because they generate lot of heat in your body. Ushna Prakriti pranayama. But Anulom Vilom is a relaxation and it brings the balance. It brings you to meditation and the calm state. So you can do because you can do any amount of time. We have a time limitation, forgive me for that, so we will be doing 10 cycles. Let's start. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. One cycle. 2, breathe in left, breathe out right, breathe in right, breathe out left. Like this, I'll just give count now. You continue, breathe in, breathe out. And your breath should be very gentle but long as long possible. Exhale even more than your inhalation. Try to exhale completely. Then take the next inhale. Continue. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your 100% focus on your breaths going in and out. Observe them while going in the body. Just be with your breaths and see the magic happening slowly. 4th round, breathe in, breathe out. 5, continue. You are done with the 8 rounds. 9. Last few times. Breathe in deep and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax. After the last, breathe out from the left side. Keep your palms open now and observe the calming and soothing effect of the pranayama. Keep a beautiful smile on your face. It's wonderful to being in this state where we think only what we are doing currently and not here and there. Our mind the whole day, it travels the whole universe. We are at one place, but this monkey mind is never at one place. Through pranayama practices, first we are bringing this mind to our breaths and slowly trying to identify our true self, our real nature, the pure consciousness, our Prakriti and Purusha. Yes, wonderful. Let's move towards the next pranayama quickly, and that is Bhramari pranayam. So yesterday also we have done it. Today again we will do. Today we will just do our hands down, palms open. Just close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Breathe in. And the humming sound by mouth close. One last time, deep breath in, make a perfect sound that can vibrate your whole head. Identify that sound frequency which suits you. Everyone's sound frequency is different. So you have to identify it and adjust the sound according to it. Breathe in. Relax. Wonderful vibrational energy throughout the body spreading. Brahmari pranayam is excellent for your immunity as well. It provides the strength to your lymphatic system. Your respiratory channel will be clear and your whole head will be vibrating with the beautiful energy. Your mind will be completely clear from all the clutter which is going on. Wonderful. So what we will do, we are already in a beautiful state, so let's quickly move into a meditation for few minutes. Place your hands like this, palms one above another, and bring them below your navel, the Dhyana Mudra, and bring your focus on your eyebrow center, the Agya Chakra, the center of wisdom, the Agya Chakra which vibrates right and left. Just bring your focus to your eyebrow center. Bring your mind to a calm state. Go deeper into the relaxation. Relax your whole body. Don't hold tension in any part of the body. Keep your back straight, erected, your neck and head straight. And keep on focusing. Go deeper and deeper into the eyebrow center. Relax. Until I ask you to open the eyes, continue to meditate. Just observe the sounds coming from outside, but don't give any thoughts to them. Just witness the things happening in and around you, but don't indulge into any thoughts. Don't forcefully try to stop them and don't indulge. Just be the witness. You are not this body. You are not this mind. Because you have the capability to observe both of them. So identify your true self. And just be the witness to this whole natak, the drama which is happening, surrounding you continuously. Keep your focus on the eyebrow center. Keep a beautiful smile on your face. Slowly bring back your attention. Move your fingers a little bit. Keep your eyes closed. Wonderful. Rub your hands, both the palms, and generate this beautiful energy and apply it on your face. Now slowly, first open your eyes, look into your palms, and rub once again. Wonderful. Healing energy is being created. Apply, utilize it maximum to heal your body. Wonderful. Now let's close today's session with the beautiful prayer. Let's join our hands. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कार सभी को, बहुत अच्छा लगा, काफी लोगों ने बीच में ज्वाइन किया एंड कंटिन्यू टू वॉच दिस होल सीरीज बिकॉज स्टेप बाय स्टेप वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द ब्यूटीफुल प्रैक्टिसेस. टुडे वी आल्सो did some of the nice pranayamas. I'll be keep on introducing the pranayamas through our practices. Every day we will not be able to cover what we have done in the previous sections. So I'll be keep on giving the hints and you can go to the videos. I'll try to share them again if possible through YouTube and all. I'll try to make a set of all these live sessions so that people can take more and more benefit. One more request is sharing is caring. So I am trying to do maximum what is in my capability to you. So you guys also please try to share it with your friends when you are whenever it is possible, so that maximum people can take benefit out of this initiative. And let's join every day without fail, because at this current moment we have to take care of our body, not only for ourselves but for our family. Okay, namaskar. Stay safe, stay healthy.